11 best AI CRM software platforms in 2026. CRM platforms in 2026 are almost unrecognizable compared to what they were 3 years ago. Now, the best ones no longer just store contact data, they actively surface insights, automate outreach, and predict deal close probability. Now, you can go ahead and write emails, summarize calls, and flag risks in your pipeline in real time. Now, here are the 11 best AI powered CRM platforms in 2026. Now, three capabilities separate AI CRMs from glorified address books. First is genuine pipeline intelligence. The system should be able to surface which deals are at risk and why, not just track status. Secondly, AI assisted communication, which is the ability to draft follow up emails, call summaries, and thirdly, automation that reduces data entry. Now, first and foremost, we're going to talk about Salesforce. Now, Salesforce is going to remain the enterprise standard, and its Einstein AI layer has matured into one of the most capable AI CRM experiences available. Now, the proper AI Einstein section is technically, I'd say, the best thing that has happened in the AI market. It generates deal health scores, then it gives you everything based on activity patterns, predicts close probability with explainable factors, drafts follow-up emails in your voice using your communication history, and summarizes long deal threads automatically. Now, the weakness is still complexity and cost. So implementing Salesforce and implementing it well will require real licensed tiers. So for large enterprises, sales teams with established ops, it will be the default. Moving on, we have HubSpot with its AI features. Now, HubSpot and its AI features in 2026 include a deal assistant or an agent that suggests next actions based on deal stage and past behavior, a content assistant that generates emails and proposals, and conversational intelligence that transcribes and analyzes sales calls. Now, HubSpot's advantage over Salesforce is a meaningfully lower barrier to getting started and a genuinely free tier that makes it accessible to small businesses. Now, the AI features are concentrated in the paid tier, but what you can do is you can work along with it pretty well when it comes to its general working and the proper area of upgrading and capabilities. So you can go ahead and check it out on Salesforce. If you have Salesforce already, but you're on the free plan, you are going to want to jump over to the upper plan and get the AI for yourself. All right. Then moving on, what you can do is you can just check over on their pricing. To get the AI, you need at least the starter plan. All right. Then, of course, you can go higher into the professional. Moving on, we have Pipedrive. Now, Pipedrive is the CRM that is most beloved by sales-led SMBs for its visual pipeline interface and relative simplicity. Now, its AI layer is pretty much called Sales Assist. Now, that highlights deals needing attention, suggests which leads to contact next, and flags when a deal has been stagnant too long based on your historical close patterns. Now, it's not the most sophisticated AI of the group, but the interface is the most intuitive and the barrier to adoption is the lowest. Now, teams that bounce off the complexity of Salesforce and HubSpot often are going to land here and stick. So you can go ahead and check the Pipedrive AI out. It has incredible CRM features, and of course, because it's an AI, you will have a much easier lifestyle when it comes to Pipedrive. Now, moving over to the fourth spot on the list is Zoho CRM with Zia. Now, Zia is Zoho's very own integrative AI assistant. Now, this AI assistant that you get through Zoho is going to cover a broad range of tasks. Now, those tasks could be literally everything and anything, like lead scoring, deal prediction, sentiment analysis on customer communication, anomaly detection in sales data, and the ability to answer natural language questions about your pipeline. Now, Zoho's pricing is quite competitive at every single tier, and you can obviously go ahead and check that out on their website. As you can see, pretty competitive pricing. And of course, it goes pretty well with the full suite. The full Zoho suite integration means data flows across the CRM, email, help desk, and project management in one ecosystem. Now, it's best suited for mid-market teams that want a full business software stack rather than the best of breed point solutions. So once we've gone through this, let's go over to the fifth spot on the list, and the fifth spot goes over to Adio. Adio has been the breakout CRM for the past 2 years for modern SaaS and tech companies. Now, Adio is built more like a flexible database than a traditional CRM with AI built into its developmental layer. It can literally pull and update contact records from different emails, and what it can do from there is help you through its connected sources automatically, so the CRM stays current without any type of manual input whatsoever. Adio's AI summarization is particularly good, surfacing relationship context, and best for technical founders and early stage startups. Moving on, we go over to Notion AI. Notion, as we all know, is an incredible CRM. Now, Notion also gives you an AI to work with. Notion CRM templates combined with Notion AI have become a legitimate lightweight CRM for individuals and small teams who already live in Notion. Now, the AI can summarize contact notes. It can draft follow-ups and surface relevant historical interactions. It can even allow you to create anything like a table to a whole mind map. It's not a purpose-built CRM. It lacks the pipeline analytics, reporting, and integrations of dedicated tools, but for a solo founder or a tiny team already inside of Notion, it's often enough and costs nothing beyond the Notion subscription. Moving over, we have Clay. That comes over to the 7th spot. Now, Clay is a data enrichment and outreach platform rather than your very own traditional CRM. But it is included because AI-powered lead research has become central to modern outbound sales, and Clay connects to dozens of data sources, uses AI to research and verify contact and company info automatically, and it feeds enriched contact data into your CRM or outreach sequences. Now, teams running sophisticated outbound motions use Clay as the intelligence layer that feeds cleaner data into their primary CRM. Moving over, we have Monday CRM. Is of course Monday.com is something that needs to be put on a CRM list. Now, Monday.com's CRM product combines its flexible work management interface with different AI features for deal tracking, email drafting, and activity summarization. It is quite particularly well suited for teams that already use Monday for project management and want their CRM to live in the same workspace rather than a separate tool. Cross-functional visibility, sales, delivery, and operation teams seeing each other's work in one system is going to be Monday's steepest and cleanest advantage over purpose-built CRMs. And we move over to the 10th spot on the list, which is Fresh Sales. Now, Fresh Sales from Freshworks includes an AI called the Freddy AI. Now, Freddy AI is going to cover anything lead related directly with proper lead scoring, next action suggestions, deal insights, and auto-generated email drafts. Like Freshworks, other products, its priced ability and accessibility integrates well with Freshdesk and other Freshwork tools. Mid-market teams that want capable AI features without enterprise failing and stuff like that, it works pretty incredibly with that. So another great feature to start with its very own Freddy AI. And finally, we have Copper. Now, Copper is built exclusively and specifically for Google and its workspace users. Now, Copper is going to integrate directly with Gmail, Calendar, and Drive, pulling contact and integration data automatically without any manual entry whatsoever. So if your team lives inside of the Google workspace, Copper's automatic data capture from Gmail threads is one of the cleanest CRM experiences available because the CRM updates itself from the tools you are already using. Now, the best AI CRM for your business is going to depend on your team size, technical solution, and what you actually want. So, of course, start working along with these 11 AIs and see which one works better for you. But thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.